Kani ka poem kedai originally ke belatho da William Wordsworth bat ke keteng The Daffodils ya kaba ngalapan kelak hasi kum kena school ha kisnam ha pusan pa punrio. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Kitiu per em, barway ngawir ub ulo dum, bajingi halor hilom kitem, kindit nga I yupaj lembrum, kakenhun jong kitiu per em, hajan kanan sendak kideng, kishat panga hal air basit.